Model, 62-plate Volkswagen Amarok 2.0 BITDI 180 PS4 MOTION Select Trendline needs turbo no VAT. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 157284. MOT, the 12th of October 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts and runs but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is fine, straightforward turbo replacement job bargain for someone, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,550 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.